Hello friends, come on, everyone is fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It show charging when, but when removed from charging it no longer work. That means there is a problem with the battery connection. That is, subscribe TechMechanic YouTube channel. Let's show you in this video how to easily change the battery on earbud. This is an earbud. The battery is dead. Now look this genuine battery. Uh, this is my channel name. Look like good, but step by step checking all connection. We need a meter, multimeter, voltage, DC 20 point, and check this battery voltage. 0.13, 0.23 also is dead. Now we are remove the circuit. Okay, the battery connector is good, but battery is dead. Now replace a new battery. I have a new battery, but connector is not same. Just wait and see. This is the new battery. Also something bigger than old battery. This value are good for fan. I can see these voltages are up for fan. This good battery. Now we are put, yes, this connector is not same, so we are the cable connection cut and the iron. Okay, look, that not same, this connector not same, so we are remove the connection. Try to remove. Okay, try to remove. Okay, see this full video end, but connection cutting. Okay, now we are iron. How to easily change this battery on your board? Now we'll replace a new battery. You can easily do this at home. I will iron it. Yeah, if you want you can put the battery in the same connector. Okay, now here the fitting. This motherboard again to screw. Yeah, okay, I hope also fine. So viewers, you are my new viewers. Like, comment and share, and subscribe my YouTube channel TechMechanic for more videos. Press the notification bell button. Okay, already 90% work done. Just look. Oh, here is a cover. Actually this battery is more than older battery, so fittings are something problem, but nothing. Okay, also fine. There's 100%, but weight is something different. Now is working good. I will show the display charging are showing without charging cable. Look, there's a good work. Now we check this charging cable. Put the earbud. 99% charge. Wow, this work. 99 is blinking. So finally, we are done the fixing earbud problem.